Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download GEICO app for claims and roadside assistance. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To download the GEICO app for claims and roadside assistance, start by unlocking your smartphone. Open the App Store if you are using an iPhone. If you are using an Android device, open the Google Play Store. Once the App Store is opened, go to the search bar at the top of the screen. Type in GEICO in the search field. Press Enter or tap the search icon to begin your search. Look for the GEICO app icon in the search results. It should be labeled with the GEICO logo. Tap on the app icon to open the app details page. Check the app details to ensure it is published by GEICO Insurance. Next, locate the download or install button. Tap this button to start downloading the app. Wait for the app to download and install on your device. Once the installation is complete, you will see an Open button. You can tap Open to launch the app immediately. Alternatively, you can find the app on your home screen. Once opened, follow the on-screen prompts to set up your account. If you are a new user, you may need to create an account with your details. For existing customers, you can log in using your credentials. After logging in, you will have access to claims and roadside assistance features. Explore the app to familiarize yourself with its layout and options. Now you can quickly file a claim or request roadside assistance at your convenience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.